Yeah, we just simply type in the code and then worry about what the outcome after typing in the code. But now I'm starting to look at the code, and my gut feeling is that this is a problem from the problem set. And if you spend a considerable amount of time with it, you probably recognize the problem. And I'm going to look back over the notes, and I want to see if I can, maybe do it without looking at the code now. So I'm looking at this problem here, and the first thing I want to do is just reset. All right, I'll do that. And then I'm going to just define some variables, right? So what are the variables I see? I see an A. Now you may want to call A and B parameters, but as far as I'm concerned, are unknown numbers at this point. So A, B, X, and Y, and their variables. And what are the variables going to be? Again, A, B, X, and Y. And now I'm going to define equation 1, EQ1, is equal to, this is an assignment operator, 3 star x squared minus 5 star x star y equals 2 star A minus B star A plus 7 star B. I got that done. Let me do the next equation. Equation 2. Equation 2 is going to be assigned x plus y 3 star, A minus B. Okay, and then I'm going to solve a system of equations that goes in a square bracket. What's a system? Equation 1 and equation 2. And we're going to solve for x and y and see what happens. All right, let's hit the return, see what happens. Okay, a mistake has happened. I hope you realize what I did. And you can even read it. It says the error was I typed something in incorrectly. So I'm going to hit the up arrow. I'm going to correct my error. Just using the cursor to do that. Okay. All right, I got it. Let me look at my answer. Again, remember we did this by paper and pencil technique. I'm just trying to learn a little bit about Sage now. And what do we get? Well, let's take a look at it. It says when x is 2a minus b, I see that right over here. Y would be a minus 2b. I'm seeing that right over here. The other equation I get, when x is, minus 1/8 of an a, minus 7/8 of a b, we get something else for y. What do we get? 25 ace a, I'm just reading this, minus 17. Yeah, looks good. We got it. Now, Sage was a lot quicker than we did it by hand, though. Hope you realize that. What's the point here, though? Do things by hand, but start to realize that there's software out there that can speed the process up greatly. And I'm really looking forward to you actually using software, not to do competitive exams, by the way, but using software to start to develop a skill set that's going to carry forward, particularly for those students that are going to applied mathematics, where it's going to be an absolute essential tool in your tool chest. But the first and most important tool you're going to use is paper and pencil, right? Or a pen. You really need to learn to do that. Write stuff down, try to get things done on paper and pencil. Once you formulate the problem paper and pencil, though, going to a computer or a calculator can be quite helpful, by the way. And I hope you realize that. We're looking to help you here, all right? Thank you so much for paying attention.